1992 Thompson Center 58 caliber big bore rifle. And let's get right into the details here. This has a heavy octagon barrel, 1 in 48 twist. It does have a detachable scope on the back here. This is a Weaver K3 wide, and it easily detaches from the rifle. And the base that's on here is 9930. And I'm sure that that's going to be pretty difficult to come by nowadays because Thompson Center is no longer in business. These were really nicely made rifles. If you're accustomed to the camo and the black rifles, these look just a little bit nicer with that beautiful walnut stock. You have a rubber recoil pad on the back here. You've got some stamped engraving into the lock mechanism. This is kind of to duplicate the Hawken Plains rifle. Now, ignition is a big issue with these percussion rifles. And the first thing that I realized is that the only percussion caps that were available were Remington number 10s. Online there really wasn't a lot of other selection of that. So then all of a sudden you go into different size nipples, and one's longer than the other, but they're both number 11s. So what I ended up doing, put this one in the drill, and I spun it on a file and then some 400 and 500, and we were able to get by with some shooting today. One of the things that I did discover was that Warren Custom Outdoors, they make this nifty little arrangement right here, and what you can do is you can use shotgun primers. So this threads in, this is a 1/4 28 thread. That threads right into the same spot these nipples thread into. And you can use a shotgun primer, a 209 shotgun primer. Now watch as we tighten that down. You have now you have a firing pin. So this is an enclosed unit. Power belts. The belt on the bottom, which is in the blue, is .582. So it's about 2 thousandths larger than the bore diameter. This pure lead projectile is .579. These load in to the rifle very nicely. We don't have to worry about a patch with these. The round balls are .570. They require a lubed patch. Black powder, you cover the ball with the black powder in your palm. And now that is supposed to be the charge that is appropriate for this. So we're going to have to see here without having too much problem here. Let me see if I can get it all in. Because I can tell you right now what I'm using for a charge is 68 grains of Swiss 1.5. Okay. 74.2 grains. And that's right in the sweet spot of being pleasant to shoot. I've seen people using loads up and beyond 100, 120 grains of black powder. There's no other way to say it. I need to improve on my eye protection, so in future videos I'm going to be planning on wearing safety glasses. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're a new viewer, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of future videos watching me wear safety glasses. Thanks for watching.